one of our medium balcony studios. See, you have a nice desk with a desk lamp. And here's the kitchen area where you can cook simple meals. There's a stovetop and a microwave. Over here is your personal TV. In every studio, you will find one. And also a big fridge and freezer. Over here is your cupboard. It comes with a really big mirror. And this is your self-contained big oven with a huge stovetop, a microwave, and toasters. This is our backyard barbecue. You can come here to chill with your friends at the end of the day. For music lovers, this is our music room. We have a piano, a guitar, tambourine, and drum. Come play to your heart's content. This is the gaming room on the 8th floor. You can come here and play games whenever. This is our laundry room. We have dryers and washing machine, everything to meet your washing needs.